I'm Hartford Healthcare's Tina Verona. For Hartford's former deputy police chief, he was forced to give up his active lifestyle after debilitating hip pain took over. Here's how the team at the Hartford Healthcare Bone and Joint Institute gave him his life back.
I was 30 years in law enforcement. I was retired as a deputy chief of Hartford Police Department. I was very active, doing Bikram yoga, functional training, lifting weights, running. I actually had just come back from the FBI National Academy down at Quantico.
Neville Brooks has been active his whole life. Recently retired from the Hartford Police Department, he doesn't plan on slowing down anytime soon. But in the beginning of 2018, he began having hip pain.
I was having lower back pain and having difficulty sleeping, and all realized that it was all generated from my hips, from the tightness in my hips.
He tried everything: yoga, stretching, massages. Nothing was helping. He knew he needed expert help. That's when Neville turned to the Hartford Healthcare Bone and Joint Institute.
When he came to see me, he had clinically and on x-rays severe arthritis in both hips. The routine management for him would have been to do a hip replacement surgery, but given that he was young, another option that we have at the Bone and Joint Institute is a hip resurfacing arthroplasty.
Neville had both hips resurfaced, the first in June of 2018 and the second just a few months later.
I had no pain.
He has returned back to all his regular activities and even more than he can do before surgery because he is pain-free.
So it was an amazing experience, and I encourage people, rather than to suffer or be in pain with this thing, go and seek their help and get moving forward.
For more information, log on to boneandjointinstitute.org.